Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to protect our personal data or any important file by encrypting the files using winzip. You can download this from the link showing in my browser or from the link pasted in this video's description. I have already downloaded and copied onto my desktop. Now let's install this. WinZip Classic is the more powerful, that's why I'm selecting this. Next, finish. After installing the WinZip, close it. Here I have created a folder and copied few personal files into this. Before encrypting, we need to zip the folder. Now open this with WinZip. Here you will get the option encrypt. Click here. We will get a caution about advantage and disadvantage of various encryption methods. You can click on help for more information. Okay, here we need to enter the password. Please select a secure password. In encryption method, please select 256-bit AES encryption because it is a stronger encryption method. Okay, now you will get asterisk mark on each file. Now close this. Again open with WinZip. Let's try to open the files, and here it is asking for the password. Similarly, let's open other file. Again it is asking for the password. We have to enter this password to view this file. With this, no user cannot open the files without entering the password, but they can delete the files. To prevent that, please watch my previous videos. Link in the description about how to save the files from copy, delete and rename. Like this, we can protect our personal data or any important file by encrypting the files using WinZip. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest updated videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.